Hey group hosts, it is week 3 of A Disturbing Voice. Thank you for hosting this group in your house and walking your people through these topics. I hope you're still journaling, still on with that, but I wanted to encourage you throughout this series, and I don't have any specific talks for this, but you'll just have to kind of feel it out as you're going. This is a bit of a longer series, but on some of these nights, it would be good to split up for ministry time, split up guys and girls. So we always let the ladies stay in the living room, guys go to a bedroom, go outside on the porch, go, if it's a closed off space, go out into the kitchen, just somewhere else. And obviously you have to have a few of each gender to be able to do this, but somewhere else. And then that just opens up a little bit more freedom to be honest during ministry time. You might look ahead at what the ministry time questions are for the upcoming weeks and pick a week or two where you feel like it'd be good for our group to separate some. You know, if you're leading as a couple or even you have couples in your group, you and your spouse might be real open and honest with each other about struggles, and that's great. I actually hope that is the case. But just even I'll use myself as an example. For Carrie and I, we're really open about where things are at in our lives and what's going on. But there's some stuff that I, as a guy, even though my wife knows, I don't necessarily want to share things in front of other ladies. For some of you wives, it'd be the same thing. There's things in your lives that your husband knows about, but you probably don't want to talk about in front of all the guys in your group. So splitting up in gender-specific groups, it's not just like so we can talk about lust issues or whatever. It just brings a more comfortable atmosphere to be able to share about some of the deep things in life. It's good to get to pray that way. It's good to get to open up with just the guys or just the ladies in your group. And you'll see that it'll also help build some deeper relationships between just the ladies or just the guys. So find a few weeks throughout this series to do that. You can do it this week if you want. There's no specific talks that has to happen for, but it'll be really helpful just in general for your group. Have a great discussion this week.